Imagine opening your project and unknowingly becoming the target of a cyber attack. That's what happened to thousands of developers when 4 malicious npm packages infiltrated the software supply chain. These packages were downloaded over 3,000 times before being detected and removed. Hidden inside was information-stealing malware and phantom bot DDoS code, capable of hijacking credentials and enrolling machines into botnets. One package even cloned a legitimate library, making it nearly impossible to distinguish from the real thing. With a single command, developer systems turned from valuable tools into vulnerable attack platforms. This incident raises one clear question: how can we trust the tools we depend on? Malicious actors exploit gaps in package managers, mimicking trusted names and preying on the speed of modern development. All it takes is a slight spelling error or a moment's inattention. The impact is not just technical, it's a threat to trust and productivity. Compromised machines don't just lose data, they can become weapons in coordinated attacks, amplifying the reach of cybercriminals. But vigilance is our best defense. Always verify packages before installation. Check signatures, review source repositories, and stay updated on security advisories. Make package hygiene a routine. When in doubt, investigate further, because supply chain attacks aren't slowing down. This discovery is a wake-up call for the entire development community. With knowledge, scrutiny, and proactive measures, we can push back against supply chain threats and protect what matters most: our code, our credentials, and our teams.